Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rang Baadu kari India Narendra Modi ula therting ki kampentri Bashir jong ki Lehnoh ki balashim ya kajing jong ki arphan ringwat ki Mynsiem baloi ki balai jong okai hapa halgam Jammu and Kashmir hakasngi ba ka arpu tarik ya jong arja arpesan haba ajingkran hakajing elang ke balong ha Bihar Modi ula pentep ya ke Pyrthei barok kawai baka India kan sa itho ikini ki Lehnoh bat kan sawat ban penshitom yu uwei po uwei u Lehnoh bade kinong kershan jong ki nga pentep ya kani sya ke Pyrthei baka India kan itho kan wat bat penshitom yu uwei po uwei u Lehnoh bat ikinong kershan jong ki laong menteri rang ba Ngin but dia neki syaduk Bakut ke Pyrthei ke Mynsiem jong kari India kan sya penpat Pynpra no haki kam Lehnoh ka kam Lehnoh kan lat klem ke jing sya penshitom kari barok kawai kan yang teli ban pelat na kani ke jing barok ki banget na long briu man briu kin don batngi ke jing penshitom kan long ke bating ke baki Lehnoh ru kinumla ban mudur satya la bendrap Modi.
Friends, today from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us. I thank the people of various countries and their leaders who have stood with us in these times.